So to install the iSpring desktop software, that's the software that works with PowerPoint, and you've got some companion products as well. You should receive an email that looks like this, and we just want to download the software like so, and then we'll open that file. Just run the installer, and when it completes, you can choose launch. Now this gives you quick start to using iSpring Max, a tutorial. Pretty much you can watch the tutorials and you'll be up and running in 30 minutes, even if you've had no prior experience. Now you'll see down here we've opened up in PowerPoint. We can get the update of the newer version. We might as well go ahead and do that. All right, that's been done. If prompted, just close out of PowerPoint so that can actually finish running. All right, so we've now installed. Now, if we want to use the version through PowerPoint, we can do that. You just create any blank presentation and you go to iSpring Suite. And you want to log in as well. So you actually want to log in with the credentials that have been provided to you. So you can either do that with the key, or I recommend just doing it, log in with the iSpring space like so. And this is where you want to put in your URL that you changed earlier. And then we can put in our username and password, like so. Great, so that means I'm now logged into the application. You can see I'm logged in as me. And now you can go ahead and create your learning materials. So let's just go ahead and do something really simple. If you've got the iSpring Max, you can grab slide templates, which are awesome. So this is where iSpring is amazing. You can just bring in all these different content and stuff. So we'll say, I will add that one. It just has a lot of pre-built stuff that makes it so much easier to create nice stuff. We'll do a couple more here. You can of course do videos and quizzes and things, but I won't cover all of that because that's really beyond the scope of this. It's really about getting you set up and making sure that your computer's set up correctly in order to create content. So I'll just add those 5 templates into my presentation. All right. Now, once you've created what you need, we'll just save that. We'll call this one my first e-learning course. Save it. Now, we just want to publish that. Now, we need to publish it in a specific format so that we can play that in Lanteria. I'm going to choose publish. Now, we just want to say we want to publish it for an LMS and just select the latest SCORM version 1.2. It's going to stick it out there. All right. Here's our course. Okay, so we'll just grab that now and we need to upload that to Lanteria. So let's just go to our OneDrive. So there's that's our course. Now we need to actually attach that to an e-learning course inside of Lanteria. So let's just open Lanteria in our browser. And we'll go to the learning catalog. I can just do create learning item directly from the quick launch menu. All right, so all we're going to do is type in my first e-learning course. Just make sure we change that to e-learning. Now, all of this is pretty optional, but what I will do is just go to the one thing. You can choose a scoring type. If you embed a quiz into the e-learning course, you can actually stipulate a percentage that they need to get in order to pass. I'll just select none for now, and we just want to attach our e-learning material, upload that file, which is right here, like so. And then we can just choose save. I'll say show that to all employees. And then from there, if we go back into our learning catalog and go my first e-learning course, I will add that to my course so we can just check it out. Just switch over to the, employee role. And we will see, let's have a look here. She's got a lot of stuff on her plate. There we go. You can also go straight to the learning catalog. And let's find out how this goes. So now you probably will get a pop-up, but it might block the pop-up the very first time you do this. Didn't quite work for me. So you just want to go up here and see the pop-ups being blocked, and you just want to say always allow pop-ups from learning from our Lanteria site, which is launch the course. And here's the course that you created, or that I created in all of 1 minute. And that's how you do it with iSpring.